Pennant Ingredients began in 1938 as a small family-owned business. We've gone through changes over the years, but we are still a family-owned business at this day. Pennant Ingredients produces bakery mixes, donuts, cake mixes, muffins, and we supply many different customers, including food service and restaurants and supermarket chains.
Back in the 1930s, when Pennant Ingredients got started, most of the processes were done manually by different operators, and what this would occasionally lead to is inconsistencies in the product. With the advent of more advanced automation technologies, we've gone from basic relay-based controls that had a lot of manual intervention to fully automated systems that we see in plants like Pennant today. Automation is better for manufacturers because it leads to more consistent product outputs, more efficient production, and safer workplaces for the employees. My job with Horizon Solutions is to work with Pennant Ingredients to identify what applications they need and to figure out the best products and solutions to help them improve their workplace. A programmable logic controller, or PLC, is a special type of computer we use in automation systems. This PLC is responsible for controlling most of the plant functions such as starting and stopping motors, opening and closing valves, controlling mixing operations, and alerting the operators if manual intervention is needed. So these screens allow the operator to see what is going on throughout the entire plant and help maintain a production schedule. They alert the operator if manual intervention is needed, and they can be kind of described as the hub of the entire plant operations. First, the operator will receive a production schedule for the day. This has the recipes of what is to be made for that day and how much is to be made, including the quantities of ingredients for each specific recipe. Ingredients are then added into the batch in two different ways. First, from the silos, bulk flour and sugars are added to the hoppers and measured for appropriate weight for the recipe. And then smaller quantity ingredients are pre-measured and weighed on pallets until the operators are prompted to add them. Bulk and pre-measured ingredients are transferred to the blender, where they are mixed together to achieve uniform consistency. After the dry ingredients are blended, any oils are automatically dispensed into the blender, and the blender continues to mix the oils with the dry ingredients. Once the blending is complete and the appropriate consistency is achieved, the batch is dropped into the packaging bin or holding container and dispensed out at specific weights, such as 30 and 50-pound bags, to be packaged. Samples are taken from every batch and tested for moisture content, color, and consistency in the test kitchen. The Allen-Bradley Rockwell Automation system automatically tracks how the ingredients move through the plant and where they originated from.